Haji Khanzada Khan Urdu, Arabic Het, Arabic Khalif, Arabic Jim, Arabic Farsi, Arabic Het, Arabic Khalif, Arabic Noon, Arabic Sain, Arabic Khalif, Arabic Dal, Arabic Letter 6C1, Arabic Het, Arabic Khalif, Arabic Noon is a Pakistani politician who has been a member of the Senate of Pakistan since 2015. Previously, he has been a member of the National Assembly of Pakistan from 2008 to 2013. Since he joined the party, Khan has served with great loyalty to the nation and remains an active member. He has done Bachelor of Business Administration from Al-Khair University in 2003. He was elected to the National Assembly of Pakistan from NA6 Mardan-I as a candidate of Pakistan People's Party PPP in 1993 Pakistani general election. He was re-elected to the National Assembly from NA11 Mardan-III as a candidate of PPP in 2008 Pakistani general election. He ran for the seat of the National Assembly from NA11 Mardan-III as a candidate of PPP in 2013 Pakistani general election but was unsuccessful. He was elected to the Senate of Pakistan as a candidate of PPP in 2015 Pakistani Senate election. This article about a member of the National Assembly of Pakistan is a stub. You can help Wikipedia by expanding it. This article about a member of the Senate of Pakistan is a stub. You can help Wikipedia by expanding it.